Hello all. So just now we have learned the requirements of the air conditioner. How we can design air conditioner through the requirement we will see now. So this is our logic of the air conditioner. So as of now, this is a top level of my logic, and inside this AC, I'm having a subsystem. A chat. That is a stateful logic for the air conditioner for the cooling, steady, heating states. Okay. Now, first I'll explain you this top level. What is going to happen here? What I have implemented. Initially, you can see this is a lamp. Okay. First, I will show you for the input part. I am having a two input. One is the user temperature and turn on that should be there. So AC should get turn off through the turn on or turn off through this switch. Now it's in an off situation. That's why it was 0. Now it's an on situation. It's become a 1. If I'll move to off, you can see it again become a 0. So this is the another constant I can say here. You can see the temperature value now through this slider. So I can select the temperature value. So when I'll move this from here to here, you can see this temperature value I'll get here, whatever is desired through this slider. Okay. So this thing is work as a remote for me for the AC. And in the output side, I am having the light lamp where it will show me the currently what thing is going to be happen. It's in heating or it's in cooling or it's in a steady. And this output is what is my current desired output of the temperature. Okay. So this is all about the top level of the air conditioner logic. If I'll go inside here, you are able to see there are total 3 states. So this is a default node where I am entering here. On and off should be there. So if it is a 0, 0, then nothing should will become. But if it is a 1, turn on, then it will come here in the steady state, where it will check what is the output temperature and light will become at a 3. So light will become at a 3 means it should be red, green, and it's in a steady state. If it's in a cooling, that it is a blue. If it's in a heating, that is a in red. So this is the lamp. Okay. And this light in a steady state, it's becoming a 3. Okay. So now from the steady state is having a priority for this. So what it is doing here for the moving to the heating state. So if my temperature is equal to 1 and user temperature and user temperature. So my current temperature is less than the user temperature. Then I need to move for the heating, and it's having every sample time adding this thing. Okay. And the output is equal to temperature. That means that temperature, what is the desired temperature, user temperature, then it will move out from this state. Again, it will come to the steady state. Again, it will check here if it is having a our current temperature is greater than the user temperature. What I have explained you during the requirements, I'll just consider my current temperature is uh, 18 degrees Celsius. Okay. And my user is requested temperature is somewhat 14 degrees Celsius. I'm having total 4 degrees Celsius of difference there. So in that scenario, my cooling should get on where my temperature will decrease at every sample. And there is another scenario for the heating where if my current temperature is 18, okay, but user requested temperature is somewhat 24 degrees Celsius. So in that scenario, I need to raise it for the 6 degrees Celsius. So here you can see temperature temp is equal to temp plus 1 for the heating. At every sample, we are adding the temperature. And here you can see we are decreasing the temperature. Temperature minus 1, temperature plus 1. So that is the main difference in cooling and heating state. And this is a steady state. So these are some transitions where we are checking some other conditions. Like if this is a turn on and my temperature is greater than the user temperature, then directly from heating, it will move to the cooling. Okay. And if I need to round up temperature, then it will stay in the steady state where it should not perform anything and it should contain providing a continuous temperature. Okay. And when it is going from here to here, when the my current temperature is less than the user temperature. So it is going to the heating. So this is inside logic of the air conditioner, and this is the top level logic of the air conditioner which I have explained. Okay. Thank you.